Polygon Matic at the time of this recording has started another bounce to the upside after a breakdown move in a move that has now given us a low below the 0.4816, and at the time of this recording we have managed to break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart and also managed to break above resistance at the 0.05. And the next key area of resistance that I'm watching to see a break above lies above the 0.5156, and the moment you manage to break above that with a successful retest, then I have my next target areas back above the 0.56 in the next coming hours. And on today's video, I want to start the video by first giving you my long-term price prediction analysis and give you what I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video here on the daily chart by first giving you my long-term ED12 analysis. You can see that from the lows that we made in 2020, we saw a very nice bounce here on the Matic chart, taking us to all-time highs above the 2.953 in a move that I'm terming as an ED12 count 1 to the upside. And after we picked in that ED12 count 1, we started a corrective structure in an ED12 count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows in that ED12 count 1 to the all-time highs, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.88 as a maximum. And that target area perfectly lies between the 1.4693 and the 0.3627, which is the area I have marked in red here on the charts. And this is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in this ED12 count 2. And in the next coming days and maybe months, we should easily start another aggressive bounce to the upside in an ED12 count 3. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that ED12 count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 5.037, and that will be my minimum target area once the bull market is here in that ED12 count 3. Then I can expect an ED12 count 4, then continue gearing up even higher in an ED12 count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the long term. And getting back to the 1-hour chart to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis. Here on the 1-hour chart, there's an ED12 structure that I have been tracking since the 5th of July, where I said to you that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in an ED12 count 1. Then we saw an ED12 count 2, a bounce in an ED12 count 3. Then we saw another pullback over here in an ED12 count 4, where I gave you the minimum target areas for the fourth wave, highlighting them using this yellow target area, which is an area that we fully maximized. And at some point we saw a break to the lower side of this target area, and as a result of that, that has now made me to have a change on this ED12 structure that I have here on the charts. And the new ED12 structure is suggesting that after seeing the lows that we made on the 5th of July, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a 1-2 setup over here as an ED12 count 1. Then this is an ED12 count 2. Then we can expect a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5. And to just show you that we have also bottomed out in this ED12 count 2 over here, I will be using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of that second wave, that is the lows that we made on the 8th of July, to that high above the 0.5624, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is an area that we have fully maximized. And after losing the fib level 0.618, we saw a bit of an extended move to the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we also fully maximized. And there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in that second wave, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a bounce in an Elliot wave count 3, and the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.644, and that is my next target area once we continue managing to hold above significant key areas of support and also see a break above significant key areas of resistances. So those are the target areas that I have my eyes on, and we also need to see a break above the 0.557, which is a significant high, and a break above that significant high will be enough confirmation of that impulsive move to the upside, which should easily get us back above the 0.644 in the next coming hours or maybe days. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Matic chart for the next coming hours. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.